Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. So in this my eighth playlist, we're gonna make a modern website, especially in hotels. Okay, we 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 will make a modern hotel website for uh, for for booking. Okay, alright, for booking. So first of all, we have to install Laravel. Alright. So we will use it and then Liveware. So in Laravel, go to the document and in browser and also in Livewire. So first of all, you have to install Laravel first before install Livewire. Alright. So after you have to install Laravel, after that follow it with installation in Livewire. Alright. And don't forget to turn on your PHP MySQL. So in this case, I'm use FlyEnv. We can use like SAM, Laragon, and any else. All right. So what's more, you can follow the rule in the document. So you have to follow the rules in document. So we turn on the FlyEnv first, right? We will waiting, and then don't forget to turn off PHP. Because what? Because for PHP we will use PHP in Hurt. So in FlyEnv we just use MySQL. For PHP we can use it in Hurt. Alright, and you can install Hurt first, and then Hurt. And for my advice, you if you want to learn new framework or new language, you can open the document, and in the document, every framework, every language, you will get much more many information to use it, many tutorials. So you not have to. All right. So after that we will open the Hurt, and the Hurt is the easy way to access our project without writing in CLI, PHP Artisan Serve. So we can just touch the URL in our project in Hurt, and then you will go directly in your project in browser. So first of all, I will make it first new Laravel project. So for that link exciting for if you want to import the project from outside, and then the project name is up to you. But for this case, I will write hotel app. Right. So and then hotel app. So alright, you can touch it URL. So I'll go directly in my browser, in my project in browser. Alright. So is a default from Laravel. If you make new project, you will go directly in that default. Welcome page. You can say it. You can say that. So after that, I'll show you the database for this project. There is a user, there is a rooms. So every entity And then so if you see in the boxes, so you can call it entity. So and every entity we have primary key and foreign key. So what the meaning of foreign primary key? The meaning is you the main the main that mewakili for every entity, and the foreign key is a so you can the tally of an every entity, you can call it a relationship. Okay, every entity has a relationship, not as a different relationship. All right, and then so you can in this in every entity you have a lot of attribute, or you can say key or value, yes, attribute. So there is foreign key, and the foreign key the meaning is explain the what's the relationship in this entity. So if you search as a entity with hotel, so you can no, if yeah, if room has a relationship with room types, you can find a foreign key from ID in room types, right? So you can you I think so you have to learn about this logic of database in the next time. So first you have to make PHP artisan, PHP artisan, migrate. No. Alright. So first of all, you have to create a migration for hotels app for hotels for until you can uh, write the column in database tab in hotels table by PHP code, not by directly in PHP my admin. So you can follow my column in hotels table. Yeah, just follow it. Uh, based on database. All right. You can so the migrate has to match with the data in database. All right. So you can follow this for apa this my in this field is migrate. All right, follow it all. And what's more, this is root. For root you can write the for first of all the root for dashboard, and then oh yes, you have to make a component for dashboard. Yes, before you make root for dashboard, you have to make component and view. Yes, if you write PHP artisan make titik dua layer and the name component, so you get two files for component and blade and view blade. All right. Okay, component is a template for live layer. It may be like controller if you don't use live layer, just Laravel originally. You can call it controller, but in live layer the name is component. So first for template we will use Measure. Yes, Measure. Measure is a software that that has a lot of bootstrap templates. All right, bootstrap template. And what more? Oh yes, and the template based on new bootstrap, new version of bootstrap. All right. So but now I have the file of measure in another project, so I will just copy it and paste it and in my hotel app project. Alright, the name, I mean, if I don't wrong, the name is this, so I have to look for it. Where is this? Oh, in public, I think, in public. Alright, public, so open it and you will find this. So you have many, a lot of HTML in this, so you can copy it and paste it in what, in my project hotel apps. Alright, so it's more. Alright. mm, okay, this, so the template is available, so I have, first of all, I make to I have to I find I will use the default, yes, default layout. So for example, we have to, in live layer, we have to use template master for every pages. So we have pages, and the pages that those pages have one file for template. Alright, so we can change the main of page, and the content is the content of page in every pages, like, yes, like that. So we copy all of this time in default. Yes, I have this one, I will use this one and by default. So this template, uh Yahtawi will about around sidebar, yes, sidebar. This template especially for sidebar. Alright, the field of template is just sidebar. Then we make folders component, and this, and the folder, after the folder we make folder layout and applet php. The name is applet php. Right, copy all. So the sidebar, we leave it, and we just focus in the main of page, the main content of page from sidebar. Oh, no, no. Oh yeah, maybe for sidebar we will remove it and just, okay, the main content, we I don't know, I have to remove it and change it with slot, yes, and the main content that I have removed it, I move it and dashboard, and that, yes, and dashboard PHP. Alright, the dashboard PHP for the main content is the main content, it's like that, dashboard flash. So maybe inside. Alright, what's more, and then what's more, capacitor layout. Alright, this is demo for major templates, live review. Alright, now we close template page, and yes, we have to, yes, we paste it in this plate dashboard. Okay, just, and this is the main content from page heading until the close of section. Alright, so it's more. Yes, the page heading, yeah, you can copy it but is the up to your frame, your template. So you can look for you by yourself what the main content, what the style of main content. Yes, so we leave the contents that we will leave it in master template, so that the content that we have to change it every page, we have to move it in every pages, right? Like that. And what's more, oh yes, that's logic for dashboard PHP in the component, right? What's more, in the PHP, right? We will write the root is the component is included in the root. And oh yes, we have to make new component, new command and plate. I mean hotel list plate, right? Hotel list plate, hotel list component, hotel list plate for the. So we have to make the component and plate for the every route, right? So for the route hotels, I will use component hotel list, and this page will show on the list of many hotels, right? And the hotel list is still default. We can paste, uh, so we copy it in default layout, and the part of card body, we have to remove all the card of body. So we will look for the table template. All right, we just use table template. All right. Okay, there is a lot of option, but I think I will choose the most simple, okay, right? Table with other spacing. Okay, copy it and no, take it, yes, copy it and paste in the field of car body, fill it in car body. All right, car body, and we have to make these data in tables dynamic, not static. So we have to like that, doing like that. Hotels apa double coral in table body for a don't forget for each and the variables, right? There is hotel name, hotel address, like that. So variable this variable hotels, we have defined it in our logic, hotel list logic. All right. So you have to define every variable that you will use it in total list logic. All right, and migrate, check in time, check out time, right? And the tables of in the hotel list, it has to match with the data on the migrate. That we don't have. Yes, we have to define every variables in blade in the component. So variable hotels, we will take every data in hotels in this hotels table, right? And in the models of hotel, this is hotel models of models. Yes. So after that, what's more? Hmm. Right. After that, what's more? So we and turn just define anything inside the view or rotation of view, right? Rotation view. So this component we will mengarahkan into the plate, right? And titles, oh you don't forget make the title in tab dynamic. So we have to define the title in hotel list, right? And that's more for each. So you have to use for each hotel the variables of hotels that we have defined in component. We can make as hotels like that. So hotels sama dengan hotel like that. What's more, now this is database header. I have make it. So we just write in PHP, or write, or maybe I will make for one more one hotel, and you can write after you done in your header. You have to write PHP artisan db double dot set sheet and enter. So after you dot enter, you and the header will make you the data from your writing in database header. Alright, for your comment database header. Then so we can, for the data dummy, you can use header or user factory. It's in the same. But in the factory, the data is unpredicted. So but in the database header, you have you can uh, modify the data. Like, up to you. You can use either, or you can use factory. But in the for the efficient thing, maybe factory is more efficient for testing and making and make dummy data dummy env. And look at env, you have to set the MyDB connection is MySQL, not SQLite for the default, and versatile and comment. So just follow my env like that. So we will open in PHP admin test. We will find the name of my database in this project. Name, I think it's hotel app. So open it, and don't forget, in every change you have to migrate. Yes, maybe you have to after you make new tables. Yeah, I mean the hotel tables, you have to migrate it until the update that you write in VS Code that uh, mm, that that appear in phpMyAdmin, right? Yes, that's a data dummy we have make it before. And after that, so I think it says visit, but there is error. Maybe in the some line we not we not follow the rule, but it's okay. The important thing, the data is appear in phpMyAdmin. Okay, after this I will check phpMyAdmin. So like we close it first, and then we press. Alright, now enter. Okay, what's wrong? What's more? What's more? Attach, navigate. Oh yeah, don't forget to put will not navigate in every menu of sidebar until the request of server not too much, and the request to server is not too much, and we will and that will to uh, make server more heavy, like and default and hotels. Right, the data is already dynamic, match with the database that we have uh, make it before. Yes, it's perfect. My default, and oh yeah, there is a some typo. OT. What is OT? I think OT. What the typo? Where is typo? Oh, that OT in the first and the bottom after for table close. Right. So I think that's enough for this video. Thank you for watching, and I for forgive me if I have a lot of wrong things in this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.